Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I bring you guys an update on what is going on the Okwuta Ibeku road construction, the 3.79 road construction that is ongoing in Umuahia, the capital of Abia State. As you can see, the heavy duty machines are doing their job. You can see men at work, construction workers and the engineers. So I'm going to be showing you everything that is happening here in Okwuta Ibeku. So kindly watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. This road was flagged off, I think March this year, 2025. It was flagged off March. The dates, the exact dates, I think the exact dates they flagged off this road is 25th of March of this same year, 2025. And you can see how far they have gone in a short time. Very soon this road you are seeing here is going to be done and dusted so that the people of Umuahia can be able to use it, they can be able to enjoy the road. This project was flagged off as part of a dual ceremony that also included the 4.32 kilometer Opet Umuahia Aheke road. The project is expected to be completed within 9 months and aims to ease transportation challenges and boost economic activities in the area, particularly for farmers who use the route to access urban markets. So apart from just the construction of the road, I think there's an erosion control work going on somewhere along this road. The contractor that is handling this project, they are known as Kremborg Construction Company, one of the reputable construction companies we have in Nigeria that have constructed so many roads in Abia State and beyond. Like in different states, when you go to Jos, you see roads constructed by Kremborg. You go to Imo State, like they are good when it comes to construction. This project aims to ease traffic congestion, like all the traffic along that what is it called, Ikotepene road, all the traffic there. So this road now that they are constructing here is going to ease the traffic. People can decide to follow different roads. People can decide to follow this road or to follow what is the other road called, the Umuahia Lodu road. They can decide to follow each of those roads that still connect to Ikotepene road. This will help decongest, the road, those much traffic that we see that happen along Ikotepene road, like you're going to Mudike. So all those traffic is going to reduce drastically when this road and other roads that are still under construction, is completed. So now, how to access this road? Now, it depends on where you are coming from in Umuahia. But if you're coming from along Bende Road, when you get to Bende Road, the junction that will just take you into Okwuta Ibeku, you just take that road. You can ask them, you take the road, and you keep driving. You're going to bust out at Ahieke. Then if you're coming from Umudike side, when you just get to Ahieke, I think on your right hand side, the road they are constructing from there, you can drive from there and get to Bende Road. If you find this video interesting and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. So tell me what you think about this road in the comment section.